Imagine enjoying a delightful meal, blissfully unaware that the food on your plate is silently harming your brain. Today, I unveil the top 10 foods that could be driving the onset of dementia faster than you think. Stick around as I uncover these dietary culprits and help you protect your brain's future. Dementia is a complex condition that affects millions worldwide, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. Many common foods, especially those high in sugar, trans fats and processed ingredients, have been linked to an increased risk of dementia. But don't worry, there are healthier alternatives that can help protect your brain and overall well-being. By making informed dietary choices, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your cognitive health. To grasp why certain foods can cause dementia, let's first understand how this condition progresses. Dementia accelerates rapidly with age. By 65, about 2.2% of people are affected. By 80, this number jumps to 6.5%, and after 90, over 40% of the population is battling dementia. These alarming statistics highlight the urgency of identifying and avoiding foods that exacerbate this decline. Dementia is characterized by a decline in cognitive function, affecting memory, thinking, and social abilities. It is often associated with damage to brain cells, leading to their death and a subsequent loss of brain tissue. Common forms of dementia include Alzheimer's disease, which involves the buildup of plaques and tangles in the brain. Vascular dementia, another type, is caused by reduced blood flow to the brain, often due to strokes or other blood vessel issues. Lewy body dementia involves abnormal protein deposits that disrupt brain function. Understanding these mechanisms underscores the importance of a healthy lifestyle and diet in potentially preventing or delaying the onset of dementia. Our brains are energy hungry, consuming 20% of our body's total energy, despite making up only 2% of our weight. This energy comes from carbohydrates and ketones. However, without proper stimulation, just like muscles in a cast, our brain deteriorates. A diet high in processed foods and sugars can accelerate this deterioration. On the other hand, nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins are crucial for brain health. Engaging in cognitive activities and regular exercise also plays a significant role in maintaining brain function. Now I will explore the factors that damage our brain, starting with our diet. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. While genetics play a role, it's epigenetics, how our genes are expressed, that matters most. Our lifestyle choices, including our diet, can turn harmful genes on or off. Epigenetics involves changes in gene activity without altering the DNA sequence itself. Factors like stress, sleep, and especially diet can influence these changes. For instance, consuming a diet high in processed foods and sugars can activate genes linked to inflammation and neurodegeneration. Conversely, a diet rich in antioxidants and healthy fats can support brain health by turning off these harmful genes. Understanding the impact of our dietary choices on epigenetics is crucial in preventing conditions like dementia. So let's explore how certain foods impact this process. Inflammation is a key driver of brain degeneration. Oxidative stress, environmental toxins, food allergies, and gut bacteria imbalance, often referred to as dysbiosis, all contribute to this chronic inflammation, speeding up dementia. Chronic inflammation can damage brain cells and disrupt neural communication. The immune response releases cytokines, which can lead to brain tissue damage over time. This process is particularly harmful in the elderly, accelerating cognitive decline and increasing the risk of dementia. However, adopting a healthy diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help mitigate these effects and support brain health. Now let's identify the top 10 foods that can trigger this destructive process. Food number 1, excess alcohol. Alcohol is a neurotoxin. Excessive consumption leads to brain cell damage, leaky gut, inflammation, fatty liver, and eventually brain shrinkage. It disrupts the balance of neurotransmitters, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. Alcohol also impairs nutrient absorption, particularly vitamin B1, which can result in Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a severe brain disorder. However, moderation is key. An occasional glass of wine might be beneficial, but frequent binge drinking is a recipe for disaster. Social drinking in a responsible manner can be part of a healthy lifestyle, but it's crucial to avoid overindulgence. Food number 2, refined carbs. Refined carbs, including added sugars and processed grains, spike blood sugar and insulin levels. This roller coaster can lead to insulin resistance, often dubbed type 3 diabetes, a significant risk factor for dementia. Avoid foods like white bread, pastries, and sugary drinks. Instead, opt for whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. A diet rich in whole grains can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular physical activity is key to maintaining brain health as you age. Food number 3, sugar. Just like refined carbs, sugar is a major culprit. It disrupts our gut microbiome, causes inflammation, and leads to insulin resistance. Over time, this results in less glucose available for brain function, starving our brain cells and accelerating dementia. High sugar diets are often linked with processed foods and sugary drinks, which further exacerbate the problem. These foods cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by crashes, leading to energy fluctuations and mood swings. Long-term consumption of high sugar can contribute to chronic diseases and cognitive decline, making it a significant risk factor for dementia. Opting for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits and maintaining a balanced diet can help mitigate these risks. Food number 4, fish with high mercury levels. While fish like salmon and sardines are rich in brain-boosting omega-3s, others, such as tuna and swordfish, are high in mercury. Mercury is a potent neurotoxin that accumulates in larger predatory fish, so it's best to opt for smaller fish to avoid this risk. Mercury enters the ocean through industrial pollution and is converted into methylmercury by bacteria. This toxic form of mercury then bioaccumulates in fish tissue, especially in larger species. Long-term exposure to high levels of mercury can lead to serious health issues, including cognitive decline and memory loss. Pregnant women and young children are particularly vulnerable, so it's crucial to choose low-mercury fish options for their diets. Certain fruits and vegetables heavily sprayed with pesticides are another threat. Pesticides are toxic to our brain. The Dirty Dozen list includes strawberries, apples, and spinach. Choose organic options whenever possible to minimize exposure. The Dirty Dozen is a list compiled annually by the Environmental Working Group, highlighting the produce with the highest pesticide residues. These chemicals can accumulate in our bodies over time, potentially leading to neurological damage. Washing fruits and vegetables can reduce some pesticide residues, but it's not always enough. Opting for organic produce, especially for items on the Dirty Dozen list, can significantly lower your pesticide intake and protect your brain health. Food number 6, artificial sweeteners. Aspartame and sucralose, found in many sugar-free products, are neurotoxins. They disrupt gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and brain damage. Studies have shown that long-term consumption of these sweeteners can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of dementia. Natural sweeteners like stevia and monk fruit in moderation are better alternatives. It's important to read labels carefully and opt for products with natural ingredients to protect your brain health. Trans fats and oxidized vegetable oils, found in many processed foods, contribute to brain inflammation and cognitive decline. It's crucial to read labels and avoid these harmful fats to protect your brain health. These fats are often hidden in items like margarine, baked goods and fried foods. Regular consumption can lead to the buildup of amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, these fats can disrupt the balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in the brain, further exacerbating inflammation and impairing cognitive function. Opt for healthier fats like those found in olive oil, avocados and nuts to support brain health and reduce the risk of dementia. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. And keep